Hey, what is up guys? It is Mehdi here again with another trading video, and today we're going to be talking about options trading. Now, options trading is a style of trading that allows you to take advantage of a particular stock's price movements and potentially make a whole lot more money while putting up less money up front in order to get control of those shares to begin with. Now, what makes options trading different from regular stock trading is when you're trading shares of a company, you're actually buying and selling those shares. So that means if you wanted to buy 100 shares of Apple at this current price, $213.32, you would have to put up $21,332 up front in order to buy those shares for that price. So you'd have to put up $21,332. But instead, if I wanted to get control of 100 shares of Apple, but without having to buy the shares, I would use what's called a options contract. So I would buy a call contract for $215 at the current price of $515, and it would require me to only put up $515 up front. So $21,330 minus $550 means that I'm using over $20,815 less in order to potentially make as much money or just a tiny bit less money than if I were to flat out buy those shares. So in reality, the main benefit of options trading is that you don't have to put up enormous amounts of capital in order to buy the shares. Because in options trading, you're not buying the shares, you're buying the rights to buy a certain stock at a particular price upon the expiration of that contract. So in this case, if I were to buy 215 strike price call options, I would have put up $5.20 for each share, which would be $520 in total because each contract has 100 shares. I would make almost the exact same amount of money while putting up over $20,000 less into that trade. So that's the main benefit of options trading, is that you need a whole lot less money to make enormous gains. The second benefit of options trading is not only can you take advantage of when a price of a stock goes up, but you can also take advantage of it when it goes down. So if you thought the price of a stock is going to go up, you would buy call options. If you thought it was going to go down, you would buy put options. And of course, with anything good in life, there's always drawbacks. The drawbacks to options trading is your options contract could potentially expire worthless. Now, this only happens on occasions where the price of the stock doesn't reach your strike price, or aka the price that you thought it was going to reach, whether it's up or down, and the options contract expires, you would basically lose all your money. So if I were to buy this for $500 and come Friday at the end of the trading day, Apple is not at least $215 even, I would lose that entire $500 investment. But in the style of trading that we do, we're not exactly looking to turn these into shares. So the way options contracts were originally intended was you wanted the price of, the stock to go to your strike price, then you would turn it into shares. Then you would basically just hold the shares. But the way that the elite traders and the traders that make a lot of money options trading trade is they don't plan on turning them into shares. They just want to squeeze as much value or as much return on investment as possible before the contract expires. So for example, if I were to say that I think the price of Apple is going to go to $220, by the end of this Friday, which is November 2nd, I would sell this before it reaches $220 and before I get close to November 2nd. So if today is Monday, for example, I would sell this contract way before Friday, because as the days go on, the value of your contract is going to, quickly decrease because you're losing money to what's called time decay. So the first drawback was that it could potentially expire out of money. And the second drawback of options trading is that you could lose potentially a lot of money in time decay, which is the value of the contract going down as each day passes on that you hold on to the contract. So those are the main benefits and main drawbacks to options trading. Let me know what you guys think in the comments section below, and until next time, I'm out.